Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Bitcoin has lost 1.4% in the last session. The CCI is receding into negative territory. The euro-dollar pair has added 0.6% in the last two sessions. The highs-lows indicator has shifted into the neutral area. The sterling-dollar pair has added 0.4% in the last three sessions. The ultimate oscillator has shifted sharply into the negative zone. The Aussie-dollar pair has gained 1.5% in the last two sessions. The RSI is warming up and is currently overbought.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Facebook Inc. is facing a formal probe by its main privacy regulator in the European Union following the leak of the personal data of more than 500 million users of the social media service. Breaking free of the EU bureaucracy was meant to herald a bonfire of red tape for Britain. Yet, in the first 100 days post-Brexit, the only thing many businesses burned was money. Key global stock indices scaled new peaks after upbeat U.S. and European earnings pointed to a strong recovery from the coronavirus pandemic.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The U.S. retail sales will be released at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices at 600 GMT. Finland's gross domestic product will be released at 500 GMT. Australia's employment change at 1:30 GMT. Australia's unemployment rate at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.